Yo, peace and love to all my sneakerheads, non-sneakerheads, and just the casual fans. I love you all the same, so thank you for coming back. And today we have the OG Presto. This pair comes from A&P Kick. I've been waiting to get a product from A&P Kick for a while, so we finally got something going. Before we get started, I want to thank all of the new subscribers, supporters. You guys are coming in very quickly. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all the contact and interactions I've been getting on Instagram especially. I'm a real person. You can chat with me anytime. Well, almost anytime. But anyway, today we have the OG Presto. I had to pick these up. I know I'm a little late on these, but had to get them in. I still consider myself a newbie at this whole UA replica, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, back to the sneaker. These came from A&P Kicks again. They're a reputable site. Shipping took about 12 days, considering the situation that's going on. When these first came out back in 2017, I really didn't know what to think, because this one Virgil was first rolling out the 10 collection, which I've explained in past videos. But I've always liked them. I liked how crazy they kind of look. They smell just like those Yeezy foam runners, kind of like that sweet factory type of smell. Not really bad, not really good. It's just kind of potent, probably because they just made these. This sneaker, again, continues the deconstructed, reconstructed idea Virgil has been going with since his debut with Nike. We've got our classic zip tie. It says 2017 on it. They included orange laces and black laces, but they forgot to put the neon green laces in the shoe. That's not good, A&P Kick. That's not good. I was really looking forward to having those green laces. And the laces are kind of round. They're not flat like the Jordan 1 laces. So the box is sort of an inside-out type of thing. I think the box is really dope. I'm not going to throw this one away. I've been throwing boxes away recently, but this one, I just love the concept of it. I like the Nike swoosh. I like the clear label with the little price tag on it. It's dope. It's something Nike has never done before. And wait a minute. See, the colors say black, and muslin. What is muslin? Let me look that up. Muslin is a cotton fabric of plain weave. It's made of a wide range of weights, from delicate shears to coarse sheeting. It gets its name from the city of Mosul, Iraq, where it was first manufactured. Okay, because I've been seeing that on almost all of his off-white stuff. And see, when you watch my reviews, you are always going to learn something here. Okay, now back to the shoe. That box, I like how that's set up right there with the little loop right there. That's dope. Got the usuals on that side. Take a look. Got the made in China tags. This comes on both of the sneakers. Nike branding on the right side of the toe, or the tongue actually. Love that as well. Close look at this reverse or inside out tongue, which I just like it. The whole shoe, I just like it. The whole concept is just dope. Got Nike Air, the signature Air. He had to put it somewhere. There's not any air on the heel. And I don't even know if this shoe, Prestos, actually have air units in them, but they are super comfortable if they don't or do have them. I love the Presto. I've only had one pair, a black on black pair in my life, but they're outstanding. Get a pair of Prestos even if you don't get the off-whites. They have this weird little symbol right here. I don't know if that's like a Presto symbol or what, but it's not very clear. I don't know what that is actually. I'm not sure if that's a flaw or what. You've got the 10 stamping on the insole there. US men's size 10. They fit a little snug. Virgil's patented little orange tab there, which are on most of his sneakers. I won't say all, as I really don't know. The Nike sign is kind of made out of this weird material. I don't really know what that is, but it's been on older shoes, and I don't know if that's on Prestos or not. It's got this breathable toe box, which I think is another nice touch. It almost looks like it could be alive or something like that. They legit check this toe box for the angles and how the retail looks, but to be honest, I don't care. The shoe looks good. I'm going to wear it. I won't get called out, and if I do get called out, I don't care. Are we still in the 5th grade or what? Are there actually people out there that'll say, hey, man, your toe box is off center, or hey, bro, your Nike checks don't look right, man. What's going on with that? I mean, come on, get real. I mean, buy what you buy, wear what you wear. Who cares, really? We're in a quarantine, for Christ's sake. Anyway, I'm trying not to make this video too long. I was trying to keep it down to 5 minutes. you have this clear semi-translucent cage on the side which keeps you locked down. It's awesome. I can't really. I've been wanting this shoe for a while, so let's just jump into the on feet. Let's just cut to it. Oh, before we do that, here's what the insole looks like, and mine also came with some special lint. It is what it is. All right, so today wasn't the best day to do any type of on feet. I'm in Colorado. It's been kind of raining a lot lately, so it's really hard to get on feet shots in the rain. But I do consider myself as a content creator, so sometimes we can't let little things like that hold us back. And if you've been thinking about creating content or starting a YouTube channel based off of other content or even my videos, I would say just create the channel and get started sooner than later, basically, because I wish I would have started 10 years ago instead of 2 years ago, but that's another story for another day. But again, the shoes, though, back to the shoes. Wish I had the green laces. Speaking of laces, this is what they look like with no laces. It's just a floppy tongue, and here's after with the orange lace in it. All right, back to the cinematic shots. So yeah, I didn't want to dress up or put in any fancy pants on today or anything like that. I just wanted to get the video out. Today, I think the visuals were really good, in my opinion. I mean, to be honest, this is probably my best one artistically. I use the Sigma 18-35 lens. It's kind of pricey, but it's worth it. You'll get shots with this type of quality, but I mean, check it out. I think I got lucky today. Look at these shots. This looks like a movie. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to stop in, make this video. Shout out to A&P Kick. Holler at me, guys, if you want to do something. I really appreciate you watching these videos, guys. Again, feel free to hit me up on IG or my business email. Let me know how your UA experience is going. A&P will process MasterCard, Discover, and Visa Electronic. So go ahead and hit them up if you're interested. Again, subscribe to the channel. I'm actually starting to develop a nice little following of people who don't care what other people think about what they wear on their feet. So go ahead and like the video. I can't say it enough. I appreciate the support that I've been getting. It's been coming kind of fast, but that's what it is. That's what happens when you keep it real with real people. So shout out to you guys. I promised I wouldn't keep you long, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the video. Peace, love, and light. Everybody remain safe, happy, and healthy, and I'll catch you in the next one.